welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix smart lock not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on Google and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Google app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, restart device. Just click and hold side ye power button. Click on restart. Again tap on this restart. Again you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix smart lock not working on Note 60 Pro. Please subscribe for more latest new videos. Thanks for watching.